I hear have a really awesome portfolio site.
Oh, thank you.
You don't have to roll your eyes when I give you a compliment.
Thank you. Eyes still.
What did you build that during the class?
I did.
Yeah. What was that? What languages did you use? What's that process like?
I wish I could take like full credit for this portfolio. Truthfully, this is like a wonderful bootstrap template.
Great.
I did add to it, right? Like you can put your own touch on these things.
Sure.
I think it's important to show your personality. Like that's how you engage. If that's how you're going to engage people or employers or recruiters or whomever it is, you better be likable. So I didn't, again, I understood my skills. Mm-hmm. CSS is not my skill. So I chose something that was going to have a lot of that built in. And then I worried about a lot of functionality. Yeah. Does the modal work? Does the contact form work? The things like that are important,
right? And
I could push myself on, and I would enjoy.
Yeah.
But weren't going to be kind of a tiresome exercise, and not even showcase what I'm skilled at.
What you're good at, yeah. I just had this conversation with another student about portfolio sites. That the point of a portfolio site is to show off what you can do, just like you said. And so if you want your portfolio site to be your portfolio, then spend the time doing that. But if you want it to just be the vehicle that, gives people the things that you're good at. And I think that was a really good thing to recognize, that those templates are great. Make them, work for you.
Right.
And then use them to
know who you are.
Show off your stuff. Show off what you're good at.
Yeah.
And I love your ability to recognize the things that you're good at and not good at is such a great a life skill that, to be able to do that, I think is so important.
Yeah. And that's my advice for everyone, right? Is really you don't need to limit yourself. You can't limit yourself.
Sure.
Right. I presented as a fully full stack person, and this portfolio did present me as a full stack person because it was polished. Right. But I didn't have to spend my time worrying about Flexbox or
right. Well, and I
color.
think that you can be a full stack developer and be good at one or the other, right? Full stack just means you understand both of them, and you understand the sides of all of it, and so you can be in one world or the other. You can be passionate about one or the other, and that I think there are very few people out there that are just great at everything. Like that's 100%. Not a thing.
100%.
And so being able to say, yeah, I am great at this, I am not great at that is a good trait.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think for a student and I think for an employee as you keep going.